for me, COVID feels so long ago. But it's still here, right? The remnants of, I think COVID's become code for how do we succeed in this new world?
I agree with you wholeheartedly.
Yeah. And so I think what I'm noticing is the companies who are not trying to carbon copy the way that they operated before, and they're more willing to reinvent, really like building blocks from the ground up of how do we work successfully now. They've accelerated and they're having impressive performance. The companies who are literally doing the same thing as before, they have way too many meetings on the calendar. They have they're focused way too much on who's doing what and not enough on the results and measuring the results. So they're getting lost in the process and in the weeds. And so on a macro level, I think what's important is for us to reorient towards a North Star, not just this quarter's results, but literally what are we aiming for? What's a more midterm, long-term objective that we can rally behind that can inform the hundreds of decisions that will be made by every human at this company today? We need to know what we're aiming for, what our priorities are, what's my role in that. So it's kind of going back to basics and then let's figure out together, how do we communicate and how do we collaborate